I love my dog, but he has a tendency to bark nonstop when he gets excited. I was so happy to find that the NPS No Shock Bark Collar was able to help with the barking. I've always been a little skeptical about bark collars, but the thing that drew me to this is that it combines vibration and sound to give warnings without shocking and traumatizing him. Another great thing about this collar is that it only detects his barks. It doesn't trigger when he growls, shakes, scratches, or even when other dogs bark. The best part of this collar is that it does all the work for me. I don't have to worry about a single thing. It has this smart chip microprocessor that automatically detects barking and intensifies if he continues to bark. The collar is also waterproof, hypoallergenic, and fits comfortably for small and large dogs. Max doesn't even realize it's on. So if you're looking for a safe and a humane method for your dog's barking, I highly recommend trying the NPS No Shock Bark Collar.